Record yourself drawing your jacket inside the frame of the camera. Without cutting the video, go ahead to pick up the jacket on that same spot, put it on and act like you're jumping to the ground and taking off as well. So right now I'm going to create a split immediately the jacket lands on the ground, and then go ahead to when I'm putting on the jacket and trim that part out. The main idea here is we have two clips, one in which the jacket is just about to touch the ground, and in the other clip we have you just when you're about jumping onto the ground already with the pullover on. So those are the two clips that we need. Any other thing is unwanted. Those are just the two clips we need. So that's why I'm trimming and deleting the unwanted parts. You do the same to have those two clips. Right now, as you can see, as my jacket is going in, I'm literally emerging from the ground. Now heading over to the split where the transition happens, we're going to go over to effects and we're going to search for the shake effect. You're going to get that one that is actually free. Almost everything on Capcut is paid for now. So we're going to reduce that effect just so that it's about under that transition. Just under that, that's the only place where we need the shake effect to happen. So this is just me trimming it to fit where I want it to fit. Now we are going to go ahead and add a motion blur just as we lift up from the ground and flex the arms to give it some nice little effect. So just adjust your settings like this and make sure that it's not too much. Do this only when you're flexing your arms. Now we can add some filters and a speed curve. And here you go.